Hey YouTubers, in this video we're going to be discussing using construction adhesive or subfloor adhesive or any other type of construction adhesive to seal and stop squeaky floors. Hey YouTubers, so in this video, like I said, it's a do-it-yourself video on how to take a tube of caulk and run a bead across this, right across here, and make this nice and solid and not squeak. So on an older home like this one that was built in 1949, what we've done is we've taken a bead of caulk and ran it between the subfloor and the rim joist. So you're basically taking this and creating a solid bond between the two, and you're eliminating the option for that little tiny space or gap to squeak. So what we've done is we've done this all the way down and across all the rim joists, and you can see down there at the very end I've actually got my rim joist sealed up and just one continuous line, and then it's sealed, and then it goes all the way around here. And then at some point I ran out and switched to a different brand of caulk because I just had to. But you can see that all the way down. So this, compared to using a shim, which may work, but it may create noise in another spot. You may shim up this spot here and then it might squeak on another spot down the way because there's still a gap. A screw is kind of an isolated spot. You know, it does one spot, and it might be able to do it a little bit, but this actually does the whole joist, and it actually is a lot easier, in my opinion, to do it all at one go than to have to do multiple spots with multiple screws and then go back and fill them in with wood filler or anything else like that. So in my opinion, this works the best. But if you have any comments or questions, do let me know, and I'll be glad to answer them. So have a good one, don't work too hard, take it easy, bye.